Guys, welcome back to Vex's Live. Today I'm going to be showing you how to seamlessly edit your Instagram multi-post. Now all you have to do is go to your app store and download the SCRL app. And once you do that, just open it. This is what it looks like. And select square. Now it will show a bunch of squares, and then go to your gallery, select any photo that you want, and just add it into the square, just like that. You know I had to choose my girl Rihanna because she's bad. Anyways, just select another picture and just resize it, put it where you want it. Just keep doing that. Make sure it looks good. And you can even split a horizontal picture in the middle. It would look bomb and seamless as well. Just keep adding pictures. Now once you're done adding all the pictures that you need to delete all the excess squares by clicking the minus sign at the bottom there, and there you have it. You've used only 2 squares and you've used 5 pictures. Look at that. Now just click preview, and then that's what it's going to look like on Instagram. If you like what you see, just click save and done. And then close the app, go to your Instagram app and select add, and then select multiple 1 and 2 and click next. And there you have your seamless post. Look at that. It looks amazing, doesn't it? Now you can do the exact same thing if you want to post a video that's, different and cute. Just select square again and delete any excess squares you need. I needed only 2. And then go to your gallery and add your image. Now I added Lauren London and Nipsey Hussle. Rest in peace. It's really sad what happened to him. Okay, once that's done, you want to save it as a video for, let's say, 15 seconds, and that's how it will look like on Instagram. They're out here killing our brothers, yo. Like, let me just get back into this video because I'm gonna get mad. Anyway, select preview and save. And done. Then close the app and go into your Instagram and just add it like how you'd add any video on Instagram. And there you have it, guys. Your seamless video. Look at that. Something different. A video out of an image. It looks good too. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Watch out for the next video.